Problem exercise 3.2 only same. In this, now I am explaining third problem, graphs. Okay, third problem is what? Graphs. And graphs is for 6 marks. Given question is P of x equals to x square minus x minus 12. Okay, always remember that suppose if the graph will be is in the form of y equals to x square, then it will give curved lines. Okay, it will give curved line, means parabola shapes. Okay, it will give parabola shapes, right? Means curved line that is in the shape of U. Okay, parabolas. Okay, y is equal to x square will having means. Suppose if you will have y is equals to mx plus c. Suppose you will have this form, then this will give straight lines. What? Straight lines. Okay, this will give straight lines. Okay, we will have y is equal to x square, means it will give curved lines. Suppose the graph will be in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. X value, x power is how much here? 1. Okay, that means linear. Linear always gives straight lines. Okay, x square, curved lines. Remember this one. So here also see, I have the question x square. X square means curved line only. Okay, now let's see. First, what I am using? I am using this p of x as, let take this p of x as y. P of x is equals to y. Okay, then substitute p of x equals to how much? Y is equals to, take this polynomial as it is here, x square minus x minus 12. Then we have to find the points of x and y, means ordered pairs. How can we find? Let's see. I have to find the ordered pairs here now. Yeah, okay. Then next, y is equals to what having here? Let's take all these values. First one is what having here? X square. Y is equals to x square. The next one is what? Minus x. Okay, according to the signs, take the values. The next one is constant term, that is minus 12. These three values is equals to y. Then here ordered pair of x and y. Okay, the next. Okay, in x-axis take these values only. What are those? I will show now. See those values? What are those? X values. Always use this only. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. 7 values only take. Okay, if you want means if you want extra points, you can also take, like plus 4, plus 5, minus 4, minus 5 also you can use. Okay, you can use. Okay, minimum points is this much, minimum. Okay, here just we have to take these points only, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. You can change also, like plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 0. Otherwise 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Anything means number you can take any numbers here. First you can take positive also. Okay, otherwise you can start with 0 also. Any numbers you can take. These numbers only apply. Then next to see here now, x square having x square. Already I have here x values all. X values are taken. So first x value is how much here? So here x value is minus 1. 2 here whole square. Minus 1 whole square. Minus 1. Take minus 1 whole square means minus 1 take 2 times. Minus 1 how many times?
2 times.
Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus.
Plus.
Minus into minus.
Plus.
1 ones are.
1.
So this is plus 1. Then here also minus 2 whole square. Means minus 2 take 2 times. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus.
Plus.
2 2s are.
4.
Then here also minus 3 whole square. Minus take 2 times. Minus into minus.
Plus.
Minus into minus.
Plus.
3 3s are.
9.
0 square means 0 only here. Then here plus 1 means plus only we will get. Plus 1 into plus 1. Plus into plus plus. 1 1s are.
1.
2 2s are.
4.
3 3s are.
9.
Plus into plus. Plus only will get. Then next see. Minus x. X values are here only. Do subtraction to this x values. Here having minus. So minus into minus.
Plus.
Plus. 1. Minus into minus.
Plus.
2. Then minus into minus. Plus 3. Then 0. Write as it is. 0 doesn't have any sign. Okay, the next one. Minus into plus.
Minus.
Minus 1. Minus into plus.
Minus.
Minus 2. Minus into plus. Minus.
3.
Any doubts up to here? Any doubts? The next step. This is minus 12 is a constant term. So minus 12 write as it is. Minus 12 as it is, right. Constant term you have to keep as it is. Okay, this is a constant term. Then afterwards, y. Simplify these three values now. Simplify. 1 plus 1.
2
2 minus 12 is how much?
minus 10
Minus 10 because this is in addition, this is in subtraction. So minus 10. Then 4 plus 2
6
plus 6. Then 6 minus 12.
minus
6 minus 12 minus 6. Bigger number is 12. Then 9 plus 3
6
12 plus 12 plus 12 minus 12
0.
0. Then 0 plus 0 minus 12.
Minus 12.
Then 1, this is plus 1 and this is minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Remaining what having?
minus
Minus
12
12.
Then next. Both are negative integers. Add these negative integers and keep the sign minus only. So minus 12 minus 2 how much?
minus 14
Minus 12 minus 2
minus 14
minus
14
14. Okay. Both are negative signs. Add the numbers. But sign minus only keep. So minus 12 minus 2 minus 14. Minus 14 plus 4 minus 10. One is addition, one is subtraction, means subtract the numbers. So minus 14 plus 4. Subtract. 14 minus 4 is 10. Bigger number is 14, sign is minus. So keep minus 10. The next. Minus 12 minus 3 how much?
minus 15
Minus 15. Plus 9. Minus 15 plus 9 is how much? Minus 6. Any doubts up to here? Understand? Then now plot the points. Okay, next one is what? Plotting the points. Plotting the points of x sine y. X value is how much? Plot the points of x sine y. Plot the points now. X, y. Okay, x value and y value. Both plot. Okay, these are x, y are called what? Ordered pairs or coordinate points. So first minus 1 comma minus 10. The next point is what? Minus 2 comma minus 6. The next
Minus 3 comma
minus 3 comma 0. The next
0
comma minus 12. 1 comma minus 12. 2 comma minus 10.
3 comma minus 6.
3 comma minus 6. Now see here. These are all comes in minus only. Okay. Yeah. We have to use these points, and next one is what? Graph only now. Okay. I have to draw the graph. Okay. I have to plot these points on graph. Then afterwards I will draw the graph. Up to here, having any doubts? Anyone? Sure. Okay. See once time. here I taken two axes. Okay, x axis and y axis. I taken means whatever we plotted the points I taken here. Okay, then afterwards I will see these points and I will plot these points on this graph. Right. So this is x axis and y axis Cartesian plane I drawn on the board. Okay, some measurements are also I taken on this Cartesian plane. Then next see, this is x axis and here this one is y axis, and here this one is what, x naught, and this is
Why not?
y naught. Okay, x naught y naught belongs to negative and xy are positive integers. Let's see. Okay, and this x and y will both intersect at this point. Okay, x and y intersect this point. Okay, this point is what, 0, 0, x value is 0 and y value is 0, that is called origin, origin, where x and y, okay, should intersect at one of the central point 0, 0, that is called origin. 0, 0 means what, origin. Okay, then next here let's see. Okay, highest value in y axis how much having, only 12. Okay, just having only 12. So here apply scale. Okay, scale is very important. Remember, scale on x axis 1 centimeter is equals to, take 1 unit only, this one, and scale on y axis 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units apply, because 12 only lowest value. Suppose if having 20 like that means you can apply 5. Okay, more than 20 having means you can take 5. If more than 50, 60 like that having means you can take 10. Okay, so very least value, that is 12 only here. So I have taken on y centimeter, y axis I taken as 2 units. So this is x axis 1 centimeter is for how many units I taken? 1 only. So let's apply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, leave it. Then here minus 1. Okay, these are all negative integers. Okay, the next one. Scale on y axis 1 centimeter equals to how many units I taken? 2. So let's take minus 2. Here these are all negative. And these are all positive, means plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, leave it. Okay, now see, first point is how much? Minus 1 comma minus 10. X value is minus 1 here, x value is minus 1. Then y value is minus 10, here this is minus 10. So minus 1, minus 10, both will intersect at where? Give the scale. Both will intersect at here. Okay, this point is, and this point, both will intersect here, this point. Okay, this. Okay, this is minus 1 comma minus 10. Okay, minus 1 comma minus 10. Okay, then next minus 2 comma minus 6. Here this is x value is minus 2 and y value is minus 6. Both will intersect at where? See, both will intersect at minus 2 comma and minus 6. So here this will, both will intersect here. Okay, this is minus 2 line, this is minus 6 line. So both are intersecting this point. So this point is minus 2 comma minus 6. Okay, the next point is what having? Minus 3 comma 0. This is 0 line only and this is x value is minus 3. So here minus 3 comma 0. Okay, the next point is 0 comma minus 12. X value is 0. Y value is how much? Minus 12 here. This point 0 comma minus 12. The next point is how much? 1 comma minus 12. Same. Here this is 1 and this is minus 12. So both will intersect here. See. here. This point is how much here? Minus 1 comma minus 12. Then next 2 comma minus 10. This is 2 and y value is 10 here. Okay, 2 comma minus, so both are intersecting where? Let's see. 2 comma minus 10. This point. Okay, 2y minus 10. Minus 2 comma minus 10. The next point is how much? 3 comma minus 6. Here having 3 and here having minus 6. Okay, both are intersecting this point. How much this is? 3 comma minus 6. Then next, now draw the graph. Okay, let's see. I will draw the graph. What will happen? Here, this 3, here 6. This is the graph. Okay, but one thing, what I said in previous, the graph should touches the x-axis. Okay, here this touches minus 3. Here I got, because this is x value and this is y value. So x value only take. Okay, and x value is how much here? Minus 3. But this graph does not touches on x-axis. Okay, one more line, this line, curve line. Okay, so after this 3, what point is having? Next one is what?
4.
4 having, then 5 having, then 6 having. So you can take after this 3, what having the points you can take in that means where we find at the table. On the table you can take and we can find extra values also. So what the values having? Those are all x is equal to what having that value? Y is equals to expression is polynomial what having? Say fast. Minus x minus 12 x square minus x minus 12. Okay, this is the polynomial having. Then afterwards x square minus x minus 12 y x comma y. Okay, now see this one. Okay, after what having? After 3, 4. The next one is 5. The next one is 6. Enough. Now see these values. Okay. X square. In that table only you can continue this one. Okay. In that table, because I rubbed the board. So in that table only you have to continue. Okay. Then x square means 4 4s are how much?
16.
5 5s are
25.
6 6s are
36.
then minus x, positive values changes as negative. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Then minus 12 is constant. Right as it is. Now simplify. 16, this is. Minus 4, minus 12 is how much? Both are negative integers. So minus 4, minus 12, minus 16. Add the integers and keep the sign minus only. So minus 16 plus 16.
0.
So I got one more value, that is 4 comma 0. 4 comma
0.
0. Okay, then next see here. Minus 12 minus 5. Minus 12 minus 5 how much?
Minus 17.
Minus 17. 25 minus 17.
8 plus 8.
8 plus 8. So x value is 5, y value is 8. 5 comma
8.
8. So I got one more value, that is 5 comma 8. Now our graph it goes up. Let's see. Okay, if you want to solve this one also means you can solve, otherwise leave it. Because here see what will happen. Okay, the next point 4 comma 0. This is 4 and y value is 0 here only in our. This is 4 comma 0. The next point is what? 5 comma 8. X value is 5 and y value is 8 here. Okay, 5 comma 8. So let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8 here. 6 now. This is 2, 4, 6, 8 here. Okay, here I got This is 5 and this is 8. So this is 5 comma 8. Now join this one also. This is the graph. Okay, and next you can write here this polynomial is what? P of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. At last write the answer. Solution set here minus 3. X value is minus 3 and here x value is how much? 4. So minus 3 comma 4. Only x values take. Don't take y values. Minus 3 comma 4 is the solution set. Or minus 3 comma 4 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x. Okay, like that also you can write. Minus 3 comma 4 are the zeros of p of x. Okay, for this problem having verification also. How? Suppose minus 3 comma 4, my answer is right or wrong. I want to check this answer. How can I check this answer? Previous we find it zeros by applying one formula. Alpha comma beta is equals to what the formula having? Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac is divided by 2a. So you can apply that formula and find. Okay, whether you will get minus 3 comma 4 or not. That is verification. Okay, you have to do that one also. Okay, suppose let's see here. I will show that one also. What verification? Having any doubts up to here? Any doubts? Sure? Okay, verification I am solving here. See, verification. Okay. What the formula I said? Beside x square having 1. B value is how much? Beside x what having here? But side is minus 1. And C value is minus 12. Okay. Then I have to find here what? Zeros. So formula what having for finding zeros? Alpha comma beta is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac is divided by 2a. Okay. Then apply these values in this formula. Then afterwards say whether my answer is right or wrong. Comment me. Okay. Try this. Right. Do verification and see whether this minus 3 comma 4 will comes or not. Okay. Understand? Having any doubts? And one more thing. This table. Okay. You have to continue in previous table only. There only you have to draw the large margins and write this on the table only. Continue it. You have to continue this on the table. Okay. Understand? Very important graph for 6 marks. And one more thing. Here some important steps. Listen. Listen first. When I am drawing the graph at that time, don't trace the graph. Okay. Don't trace. Right. Don't trace the graph like this. This is wrong. Okay. And one more thing. When we are drawing the graph like that, if we are getting this type of lines also. Okay. This type of lines when we are drawing. So this is also wrong. Okay, that one also wrong. So you have to draw the line in single attempt only. And one more thing, don't use scale. Okay, don't use scale. How? Suppose like example here, see, I got here 1 point and I got here one more point. So don't use scale and don't draw like these lines. Don't draw. This is also wrong because these are straight lines. Okay, these are wrong steps. Okay, so only in single attempt only you have to draw the line. Only in single attempt. Draw the graph. Remember. Okay. Any doubts? Don't trace the graph. No double lines and don't use scale because this is a curved line. Okay, not a straight line. Finished? If you all have any doubts, you can comment me. Okay. Right.